Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to go around Hoover Dam area. We're here on a parking lot of Hoover Dam Lodge. Is exactly, you can see helicopter tours and lights. Here we are in Hoover Dam Lodge. The parking lot is empty. That's the best time to come because there's no people. That's the old road. So you have to go around, actually, exit 2. When you go out, you're coming from Arizona, it's exit 2. You're coming from Las Vegas, it's exit 2 again. He take you here to the lodge, and you can see it's almost empty. But that's the way you go around, and you wanna more enjoy it actually. So I wanna give you some tips later on when I do the next video, how to do it around and enjoy Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and all the good places here. So you see that, you see the lodge there on behind me, and or you can see I explain to you the later one how to go more further down. So enjoy it.